Hello everyone, in front of me is Honor Magic V5 and let me show you how to clear cache and speed up your device. So at first open the settings, then find and select apps over here. Now click on manage apps and choose the app, like go app by app, but let me start with those that I use most often. Mark storage over here and now click clear cache. As you can see, it has been done. Just go app by app and clear cache the same way. Afterwards your device would work definitely faster. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.